Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maisha LeVay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my rice water leave-in. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I prep my rice water for a leave-in treatment. I'm also going to be showing you guys this quick go-to hairstyle. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we get started, I want y'all to go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with my rice, and I'm just going to take some white regular rice that I picked up from the grocery store. I do not use a specific brand of rice, but if you do use rice water and you use a different or specific type of rice and it works better, let me know down below in the comment section. But I'm just going to start off in washing the rice off. Now, I'm just going to do this just to get all of the dirt or impurities that may be on the rice off. So I'm just going to rinse it twice. And as you can see, I'm using a measuring cup for my rice. And I'm using 1/4 of a cup of rice for the ratio with the rice and the water. Now, I'm going to put my rice into the bottle just because I'm going to use this anyways for application. I just feel like no need to be wasting dishes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the rice into the bottle. And this was not easy because it was going everywhere, but we got it done. And then I'm gonna use 2 cups of water. So my rice water ratio is 1/2 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Now, this is what I do. If you don't do this, let me know down below why you don't do this and what you do, because I like trying new things and maybe it'll work better. So now I'm just going to let my rice ferment, and I'm going to leave this on the counter for like 24 hours. Normally, I will go ahead and just apply the fermented rice water on my hair. But since we're using this as a leave-in, we got some additional steps to do. So I'm going to take this little strainer out of my sink just to catch the fallout of the rice. And I took y'all advice on trying the orange peels because y'all know rice water is stinky. So we're going to see how this turns out. Hopefully it doesn't stink too bad, but yeah. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of my hair oils to this water because, again, this is a leave-in, so you can just add what you feel and what you like to the water. And we're just going to let this boil. And as soon as it comes to a boil, you want to go ahead and set it to the side and let it cool off so that you can apply it to your hair. Now, the reason why I'm boiling the water, because we just fermented this water for like 24 hours, and I just want to stop all of that because you don't want to leave fermented water in your hair for it to continue to ferment. It's just going to be very, very dry and a hot mess. Not to mention that the orange peels did make a big difference in the smell in the rice water. And thank you to everyone that did comment on my video and give me that tip, because it did help a lot. I seen that most people were saying try essential oils. I haven't tried that yet. I just used what I had at home, but hopefully next time I'll have some essential oils so I can tell you guys how that works as well. That concludes this video, guys. Leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on rice water and using it as a leave-in. If you have seen my previous videos on me doing rice water overnight treatment, and also I did it for 5 days, let me know how you incorporate rice water into your routines. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MyIshaLeVay_. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.